This phone right here, guys, this is all you need to start earning from the platforms that I will be sharing with you today. So if you don't have a laptop or a computer, that's not a problem. Today, we'll be breaking down online jobs that you can try today using just your mobile phone. I'll give you the exact platforms of what you'll be doing and how much cash you can actually make. Let's go. Okay, so first up, guys, is microtasking. If you've been watching our videos, you'll know that microtasks are small tasks that you have to complete to get paid. And your job here is to help tech companies train their AI models. So there are a lot of different tasks involved in this role. So it could be looking at two pictures and deciding which one is clearer, checking if a business address is correct in Google Maps, verifying if there's an inappropriate content on a photo or text, or it could also be labeling videos or images. So guys, you don't need any kind of degree or tech skills for this. Even a fresh grad or beginner can go for these kinds of jobs. All you need is just your smartphone and a good connection to the internet. So where can you apply? You guys can go to Toloka AI or Clickworker. Both of these companies have dedicated mobile apps available for both Android and iOS. And they're explicitly designed for people who don't own computers. So you'll be given a brief, maybe 1 or 2 minute training quiz before you start a task. So once you pass, guys, you can start working immediately and you can do this task while you're lying in bed, while you're sitting on a commute, while you're waiting in line. Now, how much can we actually earn? The payouts are per task, guys, and to be honest, they're not very significant. But if you can complete a lot of them rapidly over the course of the day, an active user can earn from $5 to $15 per day. And the payout is usually through PayPal or Payoneer, which means you can link it to your bank account or your e-wallet so you can get your money. So next up is conversational tutoring. So guys, this is a massive industry that's actively hiring right now. So a couple of years back, and we've also shared this on our videos, you really need a complete office setup to teach English. But guys, that's no longer true. Times have absolutely changed. So what you're going to be doing here is purely conversational. You don't need to be teaching complex grammar or grading essays, helping them with their projects. Your job is purely to chat. So you'll be talking to students from countries like Japan, South Korea, or Brazil who simply want to practice their spoken English with a fluent speaker. The topics can be regular things, guys, like hobbies, food, movies, or travel. So if you can speak clear, fluent English, you can do this job, and all you need is just your mobile phone. So where do we apply for this? The platforms that you need to look at is Native Camp and Cambly. So both Native Camp and Cambly have mobile platforms that allows tutors to conduct classes directly through their smartphone apps. So Native Camp is one of the platforms that's very popular here in the Philippines, while Cambly caters to a global network of tutors. So you can open the app whenever you're free, go on air, and just accept incoming calls from students. How much can we earn from mobile tutoring? Cambly pays a fixed rate of around $10.20 per hour, while for Native Camp, they use a per minute or per session rate that averages around $3 to $8 per hour. And it will depend on the kinds of ratings and the types of classes that you're gonna take. So for example, if we dedicate 3 hours per day on mobile tutoring in Native Camp, we can earn around $30 for that day. So for beginners who don't have any kind of equipment except their phone, this is a game changer when it comes to money earning online. Quick check-in, if you're finding this helpful, drop a comment below letting me know which country you're watching me from so I'll know who's ready to start earning. Now on to our number 3 job, which offers the highest payout for a single task. It's mobile app testing. So guys, companies all over the world, they spend millions just developing new apps. But before they launch these apps on the App Store or Google Play, they need real humans to test if these apps are not really confusing or full of glitches. So what will be the job? So you'll be getting a testing assignment on your phone, and then the app will record your screen and your voice. So your job is to simply navigate the app and then follow a set of instructions. So for example, it's gonna ask you, search for blue shoes and add them to cart. So guys, since you're testing the apps, your feedback is very important. So as you do the instructions, you have to record yourself while you're doing it. So you have to speak to your microphone and explain what you like, what's not working. For example, if it's a button is not clicking through, if there's something confusing, it's directing you to do something else. And then once you complete the test, you just stop recording and then you submit it, and that's it. Where to apply, you guys can go to Userlytics and Tester Work. So again, guys, you just need a smartphone and a good internet connection and you're good to go. Now, how much can we earn? So a standard 20-minute app test pays a flat fee of $10. Guys, that's shorter than the average time that you spend on your phone scrolling through social media apps. And guys, if you do detailed usability tests or select bug hunting or error finding assignments, the payout can jump anywhere from $20 to $50 per test. Okay, so guys, one thing that you need to know about these platforms is the tasks are not continuously available and they change all the time. So make sure you keep your profile active on all of them so you get a steady stream of weekly invites to your inbox. So guys, you have to remember your phone is not just for scrolling. There's real opportunity here. It's already in your hands, literally. So guys, if you want more practical guides on how to make money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and share it with your friend who needs to start earning online. Before we end our video, if you're looking to build a freelance lifestyle, check out Dreamport. It's an online platform where you can earn as an independent travel manager from anywhere in the world. You'll be consulting clients from all over the globe on their travel bookings. Dreamport provides comprehensive, dynamic training entirely for free. Guys, you don't have to pay for anything. If you have advanced English, a stable internet connection, a computer, and you can dedicate at least 35 hours a week, then you qualify to apply. Now, when it comes to earnings, since this is an independent freelance opportunity, your earnings are commission-based and paid in dollars. The application process is super quick and easy with no initial interview, so start your journey today. Click the link in the description right now to sign up and take the quick 15-minute English assessment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep the grind and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!